My name is Gabriella Coupe. I work for Enbridge Pipelines. This is an energy distribution company. The legal operations team basically manages the technology and also the processes that requires and the data and the reporting and analytics that require for the legal department. So for contracting, we look to make sure that we can create, draft, manage contracts, and also moving forward, going more and more into business intelligence perspective. The way we see contracts at Enbridge is an asset. It is an agreement that we have either with our shippers or vendors on providing or receiving a service or a material. So we take it very seriously, and then what we very much try to put our emphasis on at the beginning was, can we bring all our contracts together? Can we start centralizing them and have the information available? So that was one of the things. So contracts for us basically is the fundamental of those agreements that we're having with our partners. 10 years ago on contracts, it was fully on manpower, putting everything down and storage it at who knows where, which folder. Having some sort of a system that allows us to manage those contracts, that's step number one. When we were looking and seeking for systems that will allow us to enable contract lifecycle management, it has a good user interface. It allows you to do the drafting right there with your contract within the system, so you don't need to upload, download, and all that. It's connected to the Microsoft platform. And the other one is building workflows in the back end. Another item in there is that it allows you also to build the templates as your needs are required. The benefits we have gone from Icertis: searchability, critical for us to find information, understand where the masters are, but also where the children related to that parent agreement is as well. And the number two is also on data and analytics. What are the type of contracts that we normally negotiate? What are the agreements that we typically use? And at the end of the day, we want to have everything into one system, because at the same time, it allows you to have data and information. And that data and information also enables you on your business side. You could see the full cycle of what am I selling versus what I'm receiving as well. And it could be on a particular vendor, or it could, or shipper, as we call it in Enbridge, for the companies that we provide our transportation to. But in a way, is data and is criticality to have everything into one, not separating them. We want to make sure that the information, not only the agreement is able to move into Icertis, but also the data, vendor names, like the value of the contracts, like where is the contract located at, what are the entities that you're working with. So we map, depending on the contract type, what the requirements are, and then that's the data that moves with the contract into the Icertis system. With Icertis, we have been few times the first one trying the new versions coming out. And the reason doing that is because we have tested it so many times that we know it's going to work. What we see going into contracting going forward for Enbridge is we need to go more and more on the prediction side. How do we use it for better drafting? How do we use it to create faster contracts? How do we use the system even for business intelligence? Leverage those terms and conditions, and also leverage the commercial terms that we might have in some of those agreements. So that's our path going forward. Capture the data, enabling that data, and then use that data for more prediction purposes.